Life is full of twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Twists and turns, twists and turns. We are the children of God. Twists and turns, twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Smadu.
Hello my little friends, how are you today? My name is Teacher Mary and we are going to have our Numberwork activity lesson on heavy and light. Do you know you also weigh differently? You and your friend, heavy and light. You might be lighter than your friend, you might be heavier than your friend. Have you ever practiced it? When you go on a seesaw, whenever you see your friend up and yourself down, definitely you will note who is heavy, who is light. Before that, let us sing a short song on heavy and light. Heavy and light, heavy and light, heavy goes down, light goes up. This is how we know them, this is how we know them. Heavy and light, heavy and light, heavy and light, heavy and light, heavy goes down, light goes up. This is how we know them, this is how we know them. Heavy and light, heavy and light. Yes, how we note the heavy object, heavy person, heavy things, and the light things or objects or people. Are we getting, boys and girls? I've given you a nice example of heavy things and heavy, yes, and heavy objects. For example, you and your friend, a nice example, visiting a seesaw. Here is my seesaw. Let us try and draw our seesaw. Here is our seesaw. And on this seesaw, I have two learners. I have Kantai here, I have Kantai here, and I have James here. I have Kantai and I have James. I have Kantai and James. Here they are on a seesaw. So if this is Kantai and this is James, how will you know that Kantai and James, who is heavy and who is light? Yes, just look at the way the seesaw is leaning on one side. One part of the seesaw is up. Definitely the upper part of the seesaw shows you that that person is heavy, and the one who is down is shown that this person is lighter than the person that is going up the seesaw. So Kantai and James, Kantai is heavier than James. Kantai is heavier than James because Kantai is up and James is down. Yes. Okay, let us try here. I have a ruler. I have a cup. Here is my cup on my seesaw. And I have a glass. Are we looking? Can I leave it? So which part is going down? Which part is going down? Very well. Our glass has fallen, isn't it? But the cup is heavier than, the cup is heavier than, the cup is heavier than the glass. Our cup is heavier than the glass. Is it true? Our cup is heavier than the glass. So this is our cup and this is our glass. Our cup is heavier than the glass. Is it interesting? Yes. Can we look here? I have a ruler and I have a book. I have a ruler and a book. There we go. Which side is going down as I leave it? Which side? The book side is going down. So back on our board, as we draw it, here is, let us assume this beam balance is here and we are the one with it here. So I have a book. My book is heavier than the ruler. My book is heavier than the what? The ruler. A book is heavier than the ruler. So meaning this book is heavy and the ruler is light. The book is heavy and the ruler is light. So the way I've said, for you to note the difference between the heavy and the light. On something like this, when you place an object on this balance here, the object that is heavy moves up, while the object that is light goes down. Are we getting it? And we have used a nice example of a boy and a girl, and of two boys, whereby these two boys belong in the same class. Kantai and James are friends, but they are playing on a seesaw. Once Kantai sits on that seesaw and James sits on that seesaw, the seesaw moves up on the side of Kantai, and on the side of James, it moves down. Definitely showing that Kantai is heavier than who? James. And James is lighter than Kantai. A cup and a glass, whereby we have placed it on our balance here. And we have seen the side where the cup was moved down slowly, while the side where the glass was moved up, because the cup is heavier than the glass. A book and a ruler. The side of a book also moved up, while the side of the ruler moved down. Definitely, what does it show? It shows us the book is heavier than the ruler, and the ruler is lighter than the book. Heavy and light. Try it. It is very interesting. Make something that looks like this and try to weigh your things. You can weigh even 2 stones and 1 stone like that, and you will know which one is light. For example, I have salt, a packet of salt and a balloon. A balloon is light, isn't it, compared to salt? Is it interesting? Just try, weigh some of the objects that you have at home, objects that you play with it, and even kitchen utensils. And you'll find that and you'll note which is heavier than the other one. Till next time, have a nice time. Bye-bye.